In a remote rainforest edge, an anonymous field linguist named Aira learned to translate birdsong into human stories. Starting with a shy sparrow, she mapped melodies to moods, then built a living archive of winged voices. Her talent grew from patient listening to collaborative projects that helped farmers protect crops while getting birds to safer habitats. As communities heard the birds' perspectives through her narrations, tensions faded and curious visitors flocked to learn. Aira's journey shows how a rare gift can turn listening into empathy, turning conflict into shared wonder.